Follow the steps on how to create a YouTube icon in Illustrator. Let's start by creating a rectangle. Fill in the size with a ratio like this. Position it to the center. Fill in the color and remove the stroke. Then go to Effect, Warp, and select Inflate. Set the bend to about 15%. Prepare the transform panel. Adjust the corner radius to about 18 points. Then use the polygon tool to create a triangle. Fill in 3 sides. Rotate and place it in the center. Resize the size here. Select this, then expand the appearance to make the shape permanent. Finally, group. Done, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.